This is how to use Screen. Remember to update Ubuntu before proceeding with any of my videos to make sure that you're running off of the latest repository updates. So we've now installed Screen. Screen is a wonderful command. There's also another one called tmux, but I'm more familiar with Screen, so we'll go over that. So we'll run Screen without any parameters, and it's going to bring us first to a help screen. I'm going to hit enter, and now it's going to look just like a normal console, except I'm going to hit Control A and then Shift and then the double quote key, and this is going to give me a list of windows. Right now we only have one because that's what we started with, but let's say I want a few different windows. I'm going to hit Control A, Control C, Control A, Control C, Control A, Control C, and now I'm going to hit Control A and Shift double quoting, and I've got 4 different windows open now. And now the default title is Bash, which is or whatever your default shell name is. So let's go over how we can change that. I'm going to hit Control A and then Shift A, and it's going to let me set the window title. So I'm going to call this one Default. And then we'll call the next one Wallet. Call the next one Narrow. Call the next one P2 Pool. We'll create another one. We'll call it P2 Pooler. So we've got a few different windows. You can also go a little more advanced and create a screen.rc file to automatically set up the default windows and whatever. You can do that. You can also get a help by hitting Control A and then Shift question mark. You can also do scroll back, which I like. I'm not going to be able to show you much here, but if you hit Control A and then Escape, then you can use page down and page up to scroll back as far as you like. The screen session will record a lot of data. This is great because let's say you get disconnected from your terminal or your SSH session, um, and you reconnect, you can just do screen-R and you're back in your screen session with all your windows and everything's left running. I use Screen to basically differentiate my workspace and all my different services so that I can come and monitor from a single login terminal. I would highly suggest reading all the help key and all the different tools. Screen is a great tool to maintain your work effort, especially when you have a bad connection.